So now what will we do? We can come up here and get on the roof and ventilate, right? And you want to do it at the highest point above the fire as possible. Because if the fire's in this room right here, and you go ventilate this side over here, guess where the fire's going to follow the fire path. So you're going to catch all that. So you want to go above the fire, highest point as possible. And when you ventilate, you need to have somebody at the door at the same time with a hose. So when you ventilate, he opens the door and you can put it out.
Yeah.
That's a damn good sealed box.
Yeah, that's a good seal box.
There's something will burn up under it in there.
What? You wouldn't vent the roof of the fires in the first floor, not on the second floor.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a double layered up
Boom,
floor.
you see it?
More
eyes.
Hey,
You
close
should
it,
get more
close
fire. There you go.
it, close it off. Everything but the top one.
Close the two up. Close the two up top too there.
Huh?
Close the two up top.
Let's see if it'll push that channel, that stairwell inside. It's got a stairwell. Yeah. Open stairwell.
He outdid himself. He outdid himself with this box.
So there is a second floor.
Yeah, he's actually.
Mark too.
So just a little hole like a stairwell.
Yeah, there's just a little hole inside. You got a vertical wall, horizontal wall for floor, and right where the horizontal meets the vertical, there's an opening as a stairwell essentially.
You think we open these right here to come out?
Try and see.
And then burn through that floor down there.
It's been melted. This fire salt back here.
Yeah, it's starting to come out now.
That's supposed to be 2,000-degree fire coat.
So we're in a good growth stage right now, aren't we? If we let it go, it's gonna be. Okay, guess what we're gonna do there? Let's see.
Big fire, big water.
Okay. Yeah. All right, now. I wondered, did we put it out at all? Well, we did. We smothered it and we put a little mist on it, and then particles, then water particles. We call them magnified into millions of pieces, and that's
Millions of
gonna put it out.
droplets.
See there? Look. See that? Every time you give it air, oxygen's gonna do that again. The door's finna fall off there.
And the door's burning off.
Okay. It's gone. It's gone. But you saw when I gave it that little mist of water right there and closed it off. Let me go ahead and put it on.
Open all the doors. Let's see what'll happen. Yeah.
Woo!
Be careful.
That pop.
There it goes.
Now, is that fully involved?
No.
You got tenable space down here.
Okay.
There's no fire coming through that window. That's tenable space.
That's where we go.
Fully involved is when you don't see anything that's not on fire.
Now look, guess what? Now it's come out.
Pull that wall out. See if you got.
Huh?
Pull that wall out.
Okay. Now you go in there with a hose, and you can actually, hopefully, put this out again. Okay, look.
Now you getting that.
Right.
Door burned all the way through.
Yeah.
I think your door burned all the way through over here too.
Yeah, you're ruined. Yeah, pull your slide. See what.
Woo, that guy's
Okay, now it's still not fully involved.
it's getting there, though.
Now, if you get over here where I'm at, you feel the radiant heat from it. It feels good.
Hey, Baker, give
I can feel it from
360 of them.
Huh?
I was telling Baker to give a 360 of them.
Okay, what would you do for your 360?
Just walk around the
Walk around it.
What would you
Okay,
say?
you can come right here, and if you get this out down here, you're gonna put that out up there. But I think now we need a water hose.
It's behind.
That's getting close right there. That thing's rolling.
Okay, so you're still in the growth stage right
He
here.
hasn't even got that.
Yeah, you're still in the growth stage. You see this black turbulent smoke coming out right here on this side? Okay.
Yep. Well, it's just
Fire
the
department's
smoke is just
This one?
falling.
Wait a minute, Don. Look at that. Bam. Now, if I open this back up, guess what's going to happen? More oxygen does what?
Fans the flame.
And it probably will kick back up.
Close it back off, it'll blow back up.
Because I can see it in here now.
Let's close it
Now
out.
let's go. Let's get
Oh.
start glowing.
Say what?
I said, close it off.
Okay, hold on. Okay. This door right here is not closed. You got no front now.
Let's see what we get to come back. We still burning in there?
I can hear it cracking.
Absolutely. You can see it too. That's right.
Now, if you can get in there, you straight stream, you hammer the hell out of it. Put it out. Then you go overhaul. Now, you see it burning through the floor right here? You see that underneath there?
Yeah.
That's a danger you got to remember. These burn boxes don't have this danger, so you forget about it. But the real houses, you have this. And you've got to realize if that's on a 3-foot crawl space, that ain't much. But if it's a 6 foot or more, then that's much. And if it's a basement down there, guess where you're gonna end up? Down there. So you've got to be paying attention to your floor as well.
Sound the floor as you enter.
That's your 360 again, can tell you a whole lot about where the
It's-
fire is
it's-
and your attack on
It's
this.
burning down there.
Start it right back up again. Look, got one.
Yeah, open them up. Give it all. Give it all.
Get it all it can.
We have the ashes out here to get up.
Well, it ain't my shit.
Be mine tomorrow. Okay, now the interior. Now, if this thing had couches, chairs, a fire load, it'll be a whole lot more intense. A vacant house is going to be like this because there's nothing much to burn inside there. But the more heavy fire load you have,
Every time it pumps.
the more intense that fire is going to be. I don't know if y'all want to let it burn fully involved and decay it because there's going to be a lot of cleanup here. We're just chunking away.
You gonna put it up?
Yeah, and everybody get the gist of this. This still is not fully involved. Now, fully involved, the interior and the exterior, all of it's going to be, yeah, it's just going to be one big ball of flame. And that flame right there is little bitty molecules vibrating really, really fast, which causes it. You can't see it, but that's what it is. Okay, that's a,
Boy.
and that was caused by a solid in there.
Look at smoke up there.
Probably.
Look at smoke at the top catching on fire.
Like a
Oh, you want to
flame.
check it out? Hold on, hold on.
Just slow it down a little bit.
Not like they were over there.
Shake it.
Built full fledged.
All right, now look, we have foam on these trucks, and this foam is supposed to do a lot
Your
better.
concentration's not correct.
Yeah, my concentration. Yeah, that's right. But I just got up into the other floor, so my hand's getting tired.
That's exactly what's
Yeah,
supposed
we
to do.
probably can shut that off. Right here.
Watch your head. Just shooting at the top.
That's one of
She
those.
gone.
She
All right,
gone.
well,
All right, she going out.
yeah. Now, when that whole box catches on fire and flames, then it's fully involved.